Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make smoothies in DTI Quest. First, let's cover the essential steps to get you started on your blending journey. We'll explore how to find the right ingredients and what tools you'll need to create your perfect in-game drinks. Get ready to become a smoothie master. To begin, you'll need to gather your ingredients. Many games allow you to purchase fruits and other items from in-game stores, or you might earn them by completing quests. Keep an eye out for unique items that could give your smoothies special boosts or flavors. Always check your inventory to ensure you have the correct quantities. Once you have your ingredients, head to the smoothie machine. This is usually found in a kitchen area or a dedicated shop within the game. Interact with the machine, then select the ingredients you wish to use from your inventory. The game will guide you through the blending process with simple on-screen instructions. After blending, your custom smoothie is ready to enjoy. Drinking it will often provide your character with helpful buffs, like increased energy or temporary stat boosts. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredient combinations to discover new recipes and effects. You can also share your delicious creations with friends or other characters in the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.